Hello guys, exhibition game 50 up division, Sorok versus Eric Lumagbas team. Shout out Abalorio Edwin, number 0 of Salcedo. Eric Lumagbas team of Salcedo versus Sorok exhibition game. Remy Makasa, Panda Buloy, adi namon star player Chris Abuga, adi namon mga import Gania Duran, adi namon audience. Palakpak anay sir, palakpak. Shout out. Yakit Laloy. Sani Pulpa. Ada namun manager, tim manager Eric Lumagbas wearing number 1. Dan mga referee para ini Sorok Fiesta 2025. Sorok Giwan Isan Samar. Nice rep. Kita barangay Sorok tim adi idol Mayang. Cacay anay Mayang, cacay anay. Caca. Adin tim Sorok. Adi Cancer Eklio Marlon. Atod kabaging warm up Sorok team 50 up division. Okay, start warm up. Salcedo versus Sorok. Shout out anay.
Shout out kaya
Kuya Ed TV.
Shout out kaya Kuya.
Kuya Ed TV.
TV.
Okay, start warm up.
Libot para
Isa.
na.